Hey guys, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today we will show you how to install new windshield wiper blades in just a few simple steps. Are your windshield wiper blades streaking or not clearing your view? It might be time for a quick replacement. Today we will show you how to install new windshield wiper blades in just a few simple steps. First, gather your tools. You will need your new wiper blades and, if necessary, your car's manual to confirm the correct size. Step 1. Lift the wiper arm carefully away from the windshield. Be gentle. The wiper arm is spring-loaded and can snap back if not handled properly. Step 2. Locate the attachment mechanism. Most wiper blades are secured with a small clip. Push the tape or release button to disconnect the old blade. Step 3. Take the new blade and align it with the wiper arm. Slide it into place until you hear a click. This indicates it's securely attached. Step 4. Lower the wiper arm gently back onto the windshield. Repeat the process for the other wiper blade. So finally test your wipers to ensure they are working smoothly. Clean, streak-free windows make driving safer and more comfortable. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have installed your new windshield wiper blades. Don't forget to replace them every 6 to 12 months to keep your view crystal clear, dry safe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. See you next time.